You're welcome to Emmanuel Crypto. And in my yesterday video, I shared a particular strategy on how to make at least a minimum of around $50 on P2P trading. I tell you, I pour all what I know without gatekeeping anything, and I was happy to the comment I was able to get in that particular video. This was the particular video I'm talking about. So there are some certain things which I was unable to share, which I will be completing in this particular video, which is how to get your first client, which will be able to trade any cryptocurrency with you, how I started, and how you too could get started. So that's why you need to watch this particular video to the end for you to understand the strategies and what you need to do. So let me go to this particular video. I love some certain comments that I was able to see there to show you that this particular strategy work. So you could see this particular person comment now. He said thanks. He said thanks for this. I have been using this method myself. It's working perfectly. You can see that somebody say this strategy is working perfectly, that they have been making use of it. And you could see this other person here in this other hand. He said the price you are pointing at big get is restricted, and besides, if most buy at low price, it must be from 1 million upward. I think I replied this particular post because in that particular video I shared that that yesterday video was not how to teach you on how to filter the P2P section. So if you need the video to understand that particular aspect, that they need to watch my previous video. So before you be able to understand the P2P aspect, they just need to watch my previous videos so that they will be able to understand it. And the major reason why I'm doing this second video is because of this particular person here, which say please tutorial for newbies, how can I start? So this is the major reason why I'm doing this particular. And let me show you another thing again. So as I died yesterday, after completing that particular video, and got so good, this was one of my particular which normally says is Bitcoin to me. You could see here that at this place it says what is rate. I said okay. I told him the rate I'm about to buy. So he said what about 520? Since I know it's not that particular amount is calling will not stay biting to, at least I'll still make some little profit. I asked him that how many dollars is it. He told me this about. I said okay, I can accept it, which is a good one. And the conversation also still on. And this particular person I'm talking about, the way I was able to get him was when I was serving as a 2018 in one of the states as a data. So this is what is leading me to the first strategy, is that you just have to carry your market on your head. Yes, you just have to let people know what you are doing. Now, if you want to start this P2P trading, that was how I got my first client. The first one is that I let people within my environment, when I was serving that particular time, I let them to know that I'm a crypto enthusiast, that I do a lot of airdrop and like that. And fast forward to after 5 years to 6 years now, I still have a lot of them that contacted me that just started crypto and they need more knowledge. Some of them have eventually fallen into the hands of scammers and the likes. And now I think they could remember that during that certain time, I know this guy who was telling me about cryptocurrency like that. Now they all find a way to contact me to tell me, okay, some of them, I think a lot of them now, they actually came that they wants to trade this and this, and that was how I was able to get a lot of things. And the second option you can do is to be added to a lot of, I don't say you should be spamming people's group, but be involved in a lot of groups. Join cryptocurrency groups. Anytime anybody says they want to sell, make sure you are available. You know you need to have funds because these people need to trust you. So you need to have fund that you can use to buy their crypto at that particular time. So once you have bought from them and you are fast in sending the money, that is how to build trust in them. Yes. So from there you'll be able to go to this next strategy, which I will share somebody that is doing that. Then you'll be able to have your own WhatsApp group where you'll be able to have people that trust you and will be able to bring a loyal customer. I tell you, if the first person could be satisfied with your service, I tell you, you'll be able to get a lot and lot of customers. That singular person can bring multiple people to your service. Let me show you somebody that is doing that particular thing currently. This guy I'm about to share you his WhatsApp platform with you. Cryptocurrency, he buy Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum. That is the three he buy. But I've known this guy as far back 2018. He's not as big as it, but currently now you could see people trading around 1,000, 1,700. This guy trades in millions. So think of the profit you'll be making, and he's buying at 1,556 now. You can start. I'm telling you, we started as around 18. That is as far back I've known him, that I've been trading with him. Now he owns a website, but you cannot start from having a website, but having the first people like what I've shared with you. You can see when the guy sends it. So by starting with having your own few people, start trading with them, because after some year, before you know it, you will have grown big. Yes, this guy now trade millions. At times you see people trading 23 million with him, 10 million, 15 million, but Rome wasn't built in a day. So that is how. So you too, you can have your own community. You could see another person trading 160 USDT with him. You could see if I continue to go on and on, you could see this person now 160 BTC. Yes, if I go on and on, you see a lot of people. So what am I trying to tell you is that you can just start like this with being in a lot of cryptocurrency group. When you see that anybody wants to sell, you sell with. From there, you start building your community gradually. That is how all these things are built. I think I've been able to share my strategy. Now, this is my own little community. Let me even share you my own little community where people. Yes, this is my own little community which is called Crypto Bull Run. Now, most of them that this is where I share a lot of airdrop and a lot of things with these people in my community. And that is not just alone. These people have trusted me. They believe in me. That most of them, anytime they want to sell their cryptocurrency, they still drop it in this particular group and communicate with them. I buy. So that is one thing you just need to do. You just need to start building your communities, and before you know, the community will be big and you people will be able to transact in thousands. So if this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification. So and I will be waiting for your comment if this video was really helpful. Thank you.